Hey guys, Nate Meets World here today in Karlova Studanka in the Moravian-Silesian region of the Czech Republic. TBEX Ostrava 2018 just finished up and now I'm on a fam trip, and today we're going to do a hike up to Praděd, which translates to grandfather. Should be lots of fun, really looking forward to it with the group I'm with. So let's go. Here's a quick map of the area. I don't know how you can see it because of the shade, but this is Karlova Studanka. We're going to go through Praděd and we're going to pretty much hike through the Bílá Opava valley. Hike's going to be about 8-9 kilometers, should take around 3 hours, maybe less, so we'll see. Looking forward to it. Okay, so this is where the trail starts, goes all the way down there. We're going to follow the blue and yellow for a bit, and then the trail will split up, and then we'll just be following the yellow markers. So let's keep going. Yeah, we've been hiking on the road for a bit, and now we're back on gravel to the trail up to Praděd. We've reached this nice little bridge with the waterfalls, so of course we have to stop and take a bunch of pictures. This sign says we're at 972 meters, and this is also the spot where the blue trail and the yellow trail split. So, time to follow the yellow trail to Praděd. Dave on arrival, going to work right there, or just finishing up, but these views have been absolutely amazing. I totally wasn't expecting this at all, but it's been a great hike in the Bílá Opava Valley. Okay, the blue and yellow trails merged again, but this time we're going to take the blue route instead of the yellow route to get to the top of Praděd. Looks like this is some sort of like old ski lift or lodge area where people used to relax. But we're getting pretty close to the end. That's actually our final stop right there, and inside is the hotel we're staying for the night, so we're getting pretty close, just further up this road. We're almost at the top. The views look incredible. Okay guys, we made it to the top. Everyone's inside, getting ready to order dinner. I'm going to link everyone, the bloggers and vloggers who joined me, in the description below. And I think right there is a good spot to wrap everything up. Hey guys, our group made it to the top of Praděd, the third highest point in the Czech Republic. I'm going to show you some views right now, really cool. And then we're going to be staying here tonight as well, so that should be a lot of fun. I'm really looking forward to staying in like a hotel in such a beautiful location like this. And yeah, this is the third highest point in the Czech Republic. However, if you include the tower, which is 146 meters high, that would technically count as being the highest point in the Czech Republic. but I don't know if we're going to go to the tower tonight, but I think we are staying here. It looks like a beautiful place to stay. I'm really looking forward to staying here, but yeah, highly recommend this hike if you come in this area in the JESENIKY'S mountains. I mean, the views right here are amazing. It's going to be a great place to stay, and the waterfalls that we walked by along the Bílá Opava Valley were truly amazing. Yeah, that'll just about wrap it up. Thanks again to Visit Czech Republic, the Moravian-Silesian Tourism Board, for organizing this, getting everything set up for the post-TBEX fam trip. Highly recommend this hike to anyone in the area or anyone coming to the Czech Republic. You won't be disappointed at all. And yeah, that'll just about wrap it up. I hope I encourage you guys to explore your local area, and don't be afraid to go off the beaten track to interesting places like this. And you're never too young or too old to go hiking. We live in a beautiful world. Go explore it. Peace. Nos vemos.